This is what you don't want. Boring sites. No interaction. Nothing but unreadable, confusing links. And to think that some of these sites are world famous. I mean, really? This is the actual site? I can't even read that. Sheesh. Listen, I know some of us are just learning, but let's step up our game. I just gave you a taste of the animation property, and honestly, there are tons of ways you can use it to make your site 1,000 times better. We can begin with a single image. Here's a pic of one of those fancy folding phones that looks like a mini tablet. We can put it on a white background. That's fine and boring. So let's make the background move a little. The easy trick is just changing the background colors in the body. Let's pick the two prominent colors from the phone. We need to set up the keyframe values. We want to animate the colors between these two. Let's start with the purple one. In the brackets, we set this color at 0%. This is to tell the browser the start of the keyframe. We could set the teal color at 50%. To complete the loop, we need to bookend it with the first color at 100%. Let's name the keyframe Color Change and then put it in the animation property. Then we could set the time for the animation at 4 seconds. If we put nothing else, the color transition will run, which looks pretty good, but then it stops back to white. Yeah, not good. We can fix that with the keyword forwards, which is fine, but then no more animation. So let's use the keyword infinite. This is great for websites that want something interactive going on the whole time, kind of like background music for your eyes. Let's use a different image and put in this rainbow swirly lollipop. The lollipop itself is pretty attention-grabbing, but let's see. There's 5 colors in the pop. We could set up our background in the keyframes to 5 parts. Think of dividing 100% by 5. We come up with 20%. Start with the blue one at 0%. Put the green at 20%. Put the yellow at 40%. The orange at 60%. The red at 80%. And then bookend the colors with the original blue at 100%. Let's transition for 5 seconds and put the colors at infinite. Now, each one switches every second and it brings out each color. But as you see, it keeps going in its visual background music symphony.